north central Texas, Lime County in north central Texas, northeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, eastern Jack County in north central Texas, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Newport to 7 miles northwest of Burnsville to 12 miles southwest of Grayford, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage for vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Rutherford, Mineral Wells, Hazel, Decatur, Bridgeport, Jacksboro, Warner, Pecan Acres, Willow Park, Reno, Aledo, Springtown, Hudson Oaks, Albert, Annetta, New Fairview, Aurora, Boyd, Chico, and Grayford. This includes the following interstates. Interstate 20 between mile markers 397 and 422. Interstate 30 near mile marker 1. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.